Understanding adverbs of reason. Why we do things. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we will be exploring a very interesting topic. Adverbs of reason. This is a key aspect of English grammar that will significantly improve your comprehension and expression of cause and effect relationships in the language. To kick things off, let's start with a quick review of what adverbs of reason are. An adverb of reason, also known as an adverb of cause or reason, is a word or group of words that answers the question, why, in a sentence. They help provide context by explaining why a particular action occurred. For example, in the sentence, he arrived late because he missed the bus. Because he missed the bus is the adverb of reason. It explains why he arrived late. Now that we understand what adverbs of reason are, let's look at some common examples. Some typical adverbs of reason include because, since, as, for, therefore, hence, thus, consequently, and many more. These words give us the reason why something happened in the sentence. Take the sentence, she is studying hard because she wants to pass her exams. Here, because is the adverb of reason, explaining why she is studying hard. Understanding where to place adverbs of reason in a sentence is vital. Most commonly, we place the adverb of reason at the start or end of the sentence, but it can also go in the middle. The structure of your sentence largely depends on the adverb you use. Here's an example with, because, I am going home because I am tired. Or you can begin the sentence with the adverb, because I am tired, I am going home. And that wraps up our lesson on adverbs of reason. Remember, these adverbs are all about answering the question, why? And they can really add depth to your understanding and use of English. Practice using adverbs of reason in your daily conversations or writings. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this lesson has been helpful. Happy learning!